Hey, what's happening, traders? Welcome back to another video. So we just entered this trade on Gbpjpy. It's set up pretty quick, and I didn't have time to get OBS up before entering it. So I'm just going to run through the reason why we're taking this trade right now. And the reason for that is that we've been in this downtrend for a little bit today. Okay, we've got this big area here of interest, and it's also got a area of resistance, which we've just come to. This area of resistance has actually changed the character of this trend. So the trend actually starts here. Okay, then we have a minor trend up here, and then we've had a push down, and basically we've got a new lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then a new higher high, right? So this higher high has created a change in character, which is along here. I'll just mark that out for you guys. And this change of character has happened at an area of interest, which is this past resistance. Okay, so resistance has become support here, and then we drew in our Fibonacci, which just basically shows us where discount is, and discount is below the 50%, and the discount below this area is this fair value gap here, which is right here. We pushed into the zone, and I decided to enter as we showed some resistance away, or some momentum away. Our stop loss is just below the zone here, and we're going for 20 pips, which is a 2.4 to risk to reward. Now price could keep coming down a little bit, and maybe even come into our zone before pushing back up, but I'm happy with this entry. And our first TP is going to be at the top of this high here. Okay, so just get that there. That will be TP1, and then at that point stop loss will be brought to break even, and we'll let the rest run, potentially even up to take out the liquidity above this high up here. But we're going to keep it where it is for now. Already halfway to TP1 already, so we'll see how this plays out. Hopefully we can get up to there, and then we'll manage to trade as we see fit. So what could happen here is this is actually a supply zone, okay, because this supplied the market and broke this lowest major structure to the left here. And then price could reverse from here and then potentially come down to fill this gap down here, and looks like we're going to hit TP1 very soon. In fact, you know what, as we do, I'm going to take TP1 right now. There it goes anyway. There goes the alert. Close. We're going to take 80%, and 20% is left running risk free with a stop loss at break even. That was a really quick trade. Gee, they're nice ones. Okay, so pretty simple trade setup there. We came to a point of interest on the chart, this area of resistance. Price rejected from this area. We created a new break of structure because this low here, this push from this lower high to this lower low, we then from this point and on that zone pushed up to change the character of the trend, which in turn had a pullback. We took some liquidity and some sort of launch pad from this fair value gap for a little smart money concept sort of entry, and boom, shot up. And yeah, we're out the trade with 80% left. Sorry, 20% left running. The rest is risk free. So there we go. So I'll leave this running, see how this goes. And I'll come back if we do hit TP2. Okay guys, jumping back in, and we have now been stopped out for break even. So that was a really nice quick scalp there. We managed to take well, yeah, we came out here 10 pips. That's a nice little 10 pip score. We could potentially now we filled this full gap, we could probably get a second entry, potentially, and price could push up again. This would be quite a low risk entry here. I'm not really prepared to take it right now. I'm happy with that trade, but we could potentially go something like that, and you know, look for price to potentially make a new high. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to leave it there. The video is done, and yeah, what a great trade. So we actually ended up, let's say that would be the full TP, 14 pips, but we took our first TP, and then that 20% ran down to break even. So great trade. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. We're building a community of traders just like yourself. We're going to have some fun, teach you some stuff, and we've got loads more stuff coming out, loads of videos. We've got website launching soon, educational courses, you name it, it's coming. So join the family, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.